Hi, I'm Dr. Maria and I'm going to share the stepwise process of laser hair reduction with you. The first step is dermat consultation. Here they look at your hair growth, your medical condition and your skin type. At this point, you can clarify any concerns that you may have. Next, we move on to setting up the laser frequency, personalized to your needs, recommended by the dermat. Then we mark the area using a white pen to begin the service. The marked area is shaved for laser beams to reach the hair follicles effectively. Once the area is shaved, we start applying the cooling gel. This ensures a smooth, soothing experience. Now that your skin is prepped properly, we move to the actual part. The probe disseminates laser light evenly on the surface of your skin to reach hair follicles and prevent further hair growth. Once done, we lather a generous amount of moisturizer for the skin to feel soft and nourished. Speak to your dermat to understand the number and frequency of sessions suited for your needs.